Programming paradigm. There are 7 types of programming paradigm. First is imperative. Imperative is a software development paradigm where functions are implicitly coded in every step required to solve a problem. Example of imperative programming language include Java, PHP, Python. Number 2, procedural programming. Procedural programming is built around the idea that programs are sequences of instructions to be executed. They focus heavily on splitting up programs into name sets, instructions called procedure analogs to functions. Fortran, Algol, COBOL, BASIC, Pascal, and C. Object-oriented. Object-oriented programming (OOP) is computer programming model that organize software design around data or object rather than function and logic. An object can be defined as a data field that has unique attributes behavior. Examples: C input or the simplest Java and C++. 4. Declarative. Declarative is a nutshell declarative programming consists or instructing a program on what needs to be done. Instead of telling it how to do it, this approach involves providing a domain-specific language for expressing what the user wants. Examples: HTML, SQL, and XML. Functional. Functional is a programming paradigm in which we try to bind everything in pure mathematical function style. It is declarative type of programming style. Its main focus is one to solve in contrast to an imperative style, where the main focus is how to solve. Some of the popular functional programming languages include Lisp, Python, Erlang, Haskell, Clojure, and etc. Logic. Logic is a human reasoning that is conducted according to strict principle or rules. Programming logic is a set of principles that delete how two elements should be arranged so a computer can perform a specific task. Data log in answer set programming. Last number, mathematical. Mathematical programming refers to mathematical models used to solve problems such as decision problem. The terms are meant to contrast with computer programming, which solves such as problem by implementing algorithms which may be designed specifically for a given problem. Mathematical program models are decision variables to minimize or maximize an object function subject to the requirements the decision variables satisfy a set of constraints. The following example is illustrate the basic ideas of mathematical programming.